ciao, hello, and hola. My name is Kim Nguyen. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and I am one of the program coordinators at the Diversity and Equity Center. Welcome to the virtual DEC, and today we will be talking about one of our oldest trainings, Safer Spaces. Here to speak on what Safer Spaces will bring to its participants today is our training coordinator, Ante.
Hello everyone, my name is Ante. I work for the Diversity and Equity Center here at Central Washington University, and today we're going to be talking about Safer Spaces. This workshop stems from the Safer Space Initiative to understand the multifaceted aspects of the LGBTQ plus community. Here, students, as well as faculty and staff, will have an opportunity to participate in an interactive exercises, discussions, and sustained dialogue that provide understanding about the LGBTQ community. Additionally, students, faculty, and staff will get a chance to increase their understanding about the terminology, privilege, and social constructs of gender. By providing students with the necessary information and tools, we contribute to providing cwu with ways in which they can become better allies and promote an inclusive campus community.
Thanks, Ante. If you want to find out when the next Safer Spaces training is, check out our training and workshop page at our main website, cwu.edu/diversity. All the related links are mentioned in the description. Go ahead and check out our other amazing videos. Thank you for visiting Virtual DEC and have a better day.